Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to turn off Messenger notification. First open up Messenger app and then here as you can see I'm in this group. So if I want to specifically turn off this notification, then just I will click on this little icon, as you can see notification icon, just click on it and then turn on this option, mute this chat, and from here you can select any time according to your needs. So I will select until I change it, and after that I will just click on done. And now I won't get any notification from this group. But if you want to turn off all notification, then you have to open up settings app, open up settings, and then scroll down until you see messenger. Here as you can see messenger, just click on it and then click on notification, click on it and then just turn off this option, allow notification, just turn off this option and you won't get any notification from messenger. I hope you find this video useful. If you find this video useful, then please make sure subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Have a great day.